Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I'm Sonam Prajapati. Friends, this video is a very interesting for creating a funny video for your friends, for your family, for your lover. So friends, in this video you can create effect like this or like this. So it's a very amazing video, and friends, if you want to learn, so before starting video, if you have not subscribed my channel, just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon button so you will never miss any video from me like this. So friends, sit back and enjoy. Let's start the video. So friends, first of all you need to download the app. Name is Add Face to Video Status. Just write on your Play Store Add Face to Video, and then friends install this app. I have already installed, so I open this app and friends, you will see interface like this. Just click on the Mac face, and friends, I was making this face and you need to click Add Face and click on the photo. So friends, you can choose any photo you want. So I'm taking from my gallery. So friends, I open this face and just crop like this, and then click on the crop. After this friends, adjust this face like this, okay, and then click on the right button. After this friends, here you can see many template. Whatever you want to fit on body, just click on the video. So suppose I want to fit on this video, yeah, this is fine. Just click on this, and then it will take time, few seconds it will take time. Friends, you can see the effect now created. It's looking very awesome. You can create with your friend face and make them happy. So friends, you can save from here. Just click on the video, so the file will be saved in your gallery. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question or problem, you can comment me below. I will reply you. So like my video and see you soon with the new video. Till now, bye bye, take care.